the printer must be turned on. Press the release button and then open the front cover. Grasp the green handle of the drum unit. Lift the front of the drum unit and pull it out of the machine. Remove all toner cartridges. Handle with care. Toner cartridges are delicate. Do not touch the area covered with toner. If you need to clean it, you can use a soft, dry cloth. Unpack the new drum unit and place it on a flat surface to avoid damage. It is best to clean the corona wires by sliding the green tab from left to right and from right to left a couple of times. Remember that prolonged exposure to light can damage the drum unit. Make sure to place the green tab in the starting position, aligned to the left, where the arrow is. Reinsert the toner cartridges into the drum unit. Make sure to match the toner cartridge color with the corresponding color label on the drum unit. Gently insert the drum unit into the machine until it locks into place. Close the front cover of the machine. There are no reset procedures. This drum unit has a chip. When the drum reaches approximately 50,000 pages, the printer display indicates that it needs to be replaced. The printer will continue to operate. To reset the counter, you will need to change the chip.